Jesus. Oh yeah,
Jumadi kasi eso na Jumadi a wohwe edi adaso nyina aye freedom a Jumadi ana yesia awosu na mesro so benya bre ene abotre pa na watie Jumadi ensem wo de bepie fimu yi pa na memi di Jumadi mu kira mu nyina aye mosomfo aye Pastor Isaac na yeni wodifo a woda aye Alive Prayer Ministry a ewo eye Ghana mem enye baabi asa Asante mem eye Brema UGC eye last stop na onno ye kofa baya woda asafui ano na nidia kasa ede odifo abantenden nti ebebo hwi na yakọ odifo abantenden wo na yakọma akwaba odifo so mo akwaba
ndio so kanjesi
na wonam tese
na miadu
abushafo nyina ho ye de
bia mo
ede na kofanse na odifo medical abusawo kakra
okay
em say 31st fortunate botaye be na ewo edema ye ne enipa ye wo asase wi so
oh okay so for yakopon onye okese na onto nkwa
amen
em say 31st night we empire ebeyire 31st night we na menya ntobase so what as menya ntobase aye poni oyo ho adwuma afeso masenya ntobase aye oyo a esikas owosa Ajasi, enya wonsira bia sebe akoto afu odwom na ndebu ni padabi.
Ayento ya sona.
Oyo anonte oyo asena beka. Oyo a esi kan wosa. At 31st night mbeka ni pa bia. Ajasi, ansa na honey no, ma kyerɛw kwa befa so obi su honey no. The 31st night we die. Baby bia wo bia se wo abotimem kwampa. Onja painting magana that first 90 emishia e free
the lodi for nan modern pa
anu modern se na mika ka do se oyo no esikan wo sra na honey nso ma shada anya bo se sunsun ade ase de guso sa honey ewo no enye just normal owo e honey ya maka sunsun sema e di enunyam hye bebe ni pa brabo enipa bia so nhye nso se e free oyo no e free honey no e free do be nyan se 31st be me hye obrema yuji last stop asa
ayefo yeda odifo ase em se odinkan abiem kakra ede akyeleye na yebenya botre na ene de yakodwumadi ankasa ene de yesinkunya na yeni odifo ese odifo masa mo akwa ba bi
sofo
odifo eniema bi akoso na ademo a munim fom na munim sunsum ahintasem eniema asi eniema ahinta eniema muto yemo amoti Nyankopon ni na muni Nyankopon wa apam ana mo betumi aboaye na ma kyere ye sa niema wi odifo me pese me busa se ye wobu no mo a enfon se be o ye kristoni ana ye fan se o ye kristoni ye pese busa se ekwan be na na efaso a aya na bonsam ne setumi kasa ni pan ways Satan get hold of human being
Obogese so for nyame nhira obi mo Baby bia hwem bia me dey prophet abandoning with ma follow me all the social media platforms Facebook abandoning Instagram so prophet dash abandoning so for mama back to your question say a Christopher or mentality their conception say about train ya bra bon ko a oni Satan ni twaka but the person unya ntobase na utie ni nsem bi ansa na Satan ebetimi di ahaw di amanie kwanana atuni paso na yesi wa fom emra ayi Satan mra mun se osuru ni asase ansa papa ni bo osuru ni asase o di tumidie bi ansa ba tu Satan ba asase so o di wiase ehye Satan sa ti asase so a ye woni nipa o hwe asase so Satan ana mun se de bebe ka se mi tira o se mun se ewiase na da ho enye mi no mienu bidia e obi dia ti se obi dia dia nipa na ende na o hwe so o mmara ana mun se adi bi e koso spiritual bi anu ene ye no physical
odifo mi ba o se enipa bia bonsam ne sabeka no na wa fom bonsam la na enipa no wone bonsam no eni apam oni ni twaka I do bet to me from the bra. A man is said to me.
Bible say, "We are sudifo." Anyway, don't sound. When you say assassin, so away, Satan a woolly. Name a young night of boss on the assassin. Boom, you mean, but Satan a woolly. Satan a winner is a young night to Satan assassin. So, dear, when say assassin, the Satan ya on the mirror. The answer, but matter assassin, must Satan a young. And this is Satan mirror in They are the Levi Satanas roots. I Satan and mirror. I say the Kabiru, say the own food Satan, Satan to me. And Sunday was out by the 10 commandments of God. Abba Yamunsun, a Radimunsun, the mirror I said this war, Emma Satan, Apple, 1 million to the 10 commandments of God. And Sunday all the 28 rules of Jesus Christ. The old person who said, and our person of points swap, Satan to me, one. The 11 Satanas rules of Satan, as a woman. The 10 commandments of God, as a woman. And some about the 28 rules of Jesus Christ, as a woman. One who's a human being, sorry, a miracle.
Anna and Melanie, Yacob Pomela, and I say, yes, you could and I said, when some
on set ni pebiam, say, only a radia sensual and only a radimra sua, who jammer is soon to be. Answer a radical Jawama is soon to meet him, unless a Radimana a work is soon Munisu. Or Jama to meet Jensua, to the answer to Jens with my yours or crowns control. And this is the rules and the Marana will be as in Munisu. A bad rules is why it doesn't matter how powerful you are. Then, or with Maka said, me a powerful to be to me, baby. It doesn't care how powerful you are, unless say a man will do. And not now what kingdom be my soon kingdom now. A man walk kingdom you have to follow. When this is soon anymore, a Brabana walk a soon who told me to a spirit no was a soon to be young. And you beating for this schedule, think at the children say, schedule a bed in a beba. You were the Mara was scheduled more a man. It's a way Christian. Na ansa na wo pese Satan mram udisunu eze wo musa mram the Levi Satanas ansa na by the 10 commandments of God that rather mind say this ansa na by the 28 rules of Jesus Christ me di kan ka tro say we as we dey na hokwa ze na hokwa dey we as na obai na betu ya pe mu edi ka se nefa bo onto ma nefa they will go on man oni Satan mram so ko so oni 10 commandments so oni so oni so the 28 commandments, the rules of Jesus Christ, and so on. You put with this. You must say, "Abraham Obon, a yet denara or perform." Do one man for your HIV no yard or fumra, Lembrano, I must say, Taban who were young. And when said, Jaria, a baby password, and Mran or fool. Cause one from my head, the Jaria, big man's got Jaria was spirita, idiot. I don't know what I'm saying. This is a yard big than Paconzo, who said, and Marana will be asking. One follow, and I must say, Tanya Hokai. And I said the 10 commandments of God and the 28 rules of Jesus Christ will need no issue. Now, man, a daily must say that.
But if for me, well, because I'm told this year, maybe a Christian. Meaning, say, yes, you Christian meeting and amongst. And now, may yet say tiny dear. Now, how much more Semin could do on any Satan, on any rules, and I said, and says, Semin competition.
I'm a cousin infantile. A bus soon, Sumadia. He doesn't care, say, we see time, and only see time. A DBA, the mechanic was a DBA, he was spiritual, and a peer monument. A DBA, so also soon, and no cost monument. And until I go school, more or more school, as it is so. And my way, or Mary Gavin country, them transporters. In the weather said, we are certain, yeah, and only Satan there. Un person Satan being out, there's a woman in
And the woman me woman met this one.
This was send a Satan for 24/7. Only for how we told so. Them John Watchers, as I see, we are a Satan and Shasu. Them John, their course was a serious in a Satan, they developed the bus as issue. They said that they developed the bus as issue, Satan in test as issue, they are fine. Bible said, and 20 years them.
And 20 years, I don't see the
In the Christoni, na say entro tumi da oketira maso a na betina wo
bonsam
Tiza wotumi mu Satan mira nyina ebede se Satan po amane payare animguase a enam to nim ne mira ndim mfom ne mira no e ma wo ho kwanti beda ho after the 10 commandments of God nso odi so pepepe after the 28 rules of Jesus Christ nso unima da bon to ma no anytime be kura the same power no ebede se Satan and ebede se nyankopon be jaw ma Satan
odi for se na be ya me ne mahwefo adwene ni wetima ye fine na adwene ni koye he no kaya pese saa obonsam ne mra anasa na sese du ba ko no nka wo boa ye nka biem kakra ma ye
okay amen ka sim je ade boa ye ntase dem practice wo ade boa ye ntase na nye bibia mit me ato public because you nsum bebre no wo wiase ti se obi hwe me no pese o mu de rules and the laws of Satan of Premier betting their card.
As a one fan to
there. You are the boy I am paying for the day. I just say, in the home of Piano, you have to about think
like how different can say you do back. Can would be a bear in noon be an end?
And learn to know moment in last number master in church room. Let me try that. In the also for human. I will do 14 as in the human cell back church. To me, mamma, Tim and Nasia, we don't call a Jan 1 day, a master in church room. But to go about no 2 more, fellow phones one. My card, no, yeah, but tell me up, my card, because one say I will soon be brave warriors. Don't think of being cousin public for my things. I just
go different. Now, some fun say, so what train I see, no, when you're signing Padisia. Amania bit is saying. Ano tudi ni panitu
amanye ne bebre obu ohonuma otimi yare onko nim so yare o obekọ hospital awie no e be diagnose na bia doctor aka kire nse bia yare isi HIV na hepatitis B na cancer anyway ono ani mu pefe se nkwa ebo ni bia ana se beka se onko bo no pore we ni HIV no fa twa mo ontiase enam se only Satan mera na the 10 commandments of God na be hwem scan na ofom mera ti olipa bebre wo nso a omumu ade omu ni kasa bebre nso nya problem because of say they don't know how to talk ni pa bia onim kasa bia no nse until we ask
kasa ayeken
obu omu ade bakọ kasa etumi and the Bible say owo ni nkwa o eketara maso ketermai itimi ni nyankwa eno itimi yesai eko owu tenjo that to obo ma enam kasa so emi itimi di nyam ma Satan itimi di yele edinya ni pa bia so omu ade bia no ani ewade ni nyom o jama Satan ni pa bia oni kasa bia ewade jama Satan ti se won hia obi na o hia o spirit enam se woni kasa omu ade nti e kwa ya so no so obeso o hwen so nyam ala sa wonti sa asem ni
true kasa wakan
yes
okay
no wo on so a otimi fuma urade mra na urade na jam do na mana tamfo esi wo bible ka de so e koso ti o yoma bebre all ma enye Satan enye nipa enko a o yoma bu a wo fuma urade mra so a wo jaw e do ma Satan ala mu ze anse na Satan bituma enye wo mu yi pa no na urade mra no uni su yi ele mo afom na urade ani nyom no apia o ma Satan ti ko Satan so na Satan so address ne fa ehun se de mra na wo wiase no udi so ala se uni so
na se ya ko ese wa hini Zakaya ene odifu Azaya enkom sa nyakofa ka kire ne se on kan kire Zakaya sa on se ne fin sa men so bi on nyan kwa bi na e wo bere odifu deliver message ni ye pe na wa hini eyi ne tuma gondo de ne kire wo fasu no gbo brada pese wode ka said man nanti woni mi kuri ene ya komedim na ma ya die woni so ampanya ko so mu se de wo hini ne kan e ye ne kure
nti e ban se ofuma urade mmira kan pai no kobo kire no kan beti ti anza na wiase no umpese Satan benya wa de urade mmira so Yesu Kristo ne mmira oba o so ba 2018 ansa na the living Satan last rules of Satan so na se ko medical catch say we as we no e mu nyoma intase bebre a ye mpenfo Christus no rade dadum ya e say bi so de chairman sa but o de asem ne ba bonten na de o ti do onim ho intase da no idea bia na obetra no wedi watam ba nipa na o di na tam bisa ho say o ye nipa eno ye nipa ko mun say we as ye we obi a spirit on the tea assassin so we di na tam o chere be nyamande ba ko tena so bi na say omo mpa mo be bo a enko because nipa na o ti na se no di na tam sunsun so na ba so
wow
ti o nipa bebre a omo kasa we ye hwan obedi watam design mo ni na to pese we di Everybody mra so the rules of Jesus Christ in the 10 commandments in na so na Satan rules nso person say this one and no na say am panipo powerful nipo o powerful nya bibia o nipo onim form not the obey onim the adechie mu nsem de bia me kase mabene obi a o ye mabene abere onya hwe yi o less or a short of life dem try that say obetima ben no matter how powerful you are but it takes to be ya hwe na betima transfer so ache because we ya hwe yi a na Satan power onya and Satan so or be fa the rules ni nyina mo say there be akoni rule or be fa o fo na woni mo obenya the answer we back na say we so ache no it's in the rules of Satan and the 10 commandments of God and now by the 28 rules of Jesus and now ko bi mu a say akoni o mra wu say mra one di so spirit no was a akoni mu o form na obokum and so the rebel wetos ndina de bia o mra wo mra na di so etin mu
odifo ense we okanyina obi ti na enipa na de wo nsem etoto na brabo ni mu a ono akasa hu se afidie ni watom
okay
ntini pasa na de na sese boy
say ni pa no je so ye nse eso penya mentifo a wo du atire mu ade aka bi kan ka da se aduma te da difuduma ye mu le obi ani bebe na ho ni kudu ogbo ono ye oje mo aduma obi su bi okra mo aduma okra mo aduma se esi da oso a oba bompa ye esi da fro so bebe o spirit no wo spiritual world no asa ko ji wo spirit na fro aja se na oje mo aduma so se esi wo so bompa no deliver we a eno anu sa tu no se bitma ko spiritual world na abeko demon na o show spirit no so dem try to acha se the different levels obi a je omo dwuma obi si okra omo dwuma ena me teach obi e bia esi wo mso esi na wo mso no e bon pe deliver wi a enwan but okra no o demon na o dey esi nto so no the word dem try to acha se o dini ko da demon word no e ko sane okra no e free ho e ma won ne won ko so anu nti na se deliver obi wi a e ka se mi se e deliver one train ready fie yi no an show akwan yi a demon ko nantia no e be bi amfa o sabe he be free em e kwan sa da hode ahom pempen sonson na ye de saba asechere no but se sa demon would deliver ni wie ewia I said the crown na demon na captain ukoyi fro yi na ba koyi fro nse o tena bi no okohwe be do share na woni ho bi ma o tumi access to you again but we deliver no okohwe word o crown the word on the crown be o crown chen okohwe o na o kan da so she wa say ace no so sa demon bit ma sa demon anytime difference to go on your J or bomb payment and say we are and one so your crown which
wow odifo say what church and some bebre anase wa bibi eniyema mu bebre na yin say awefo nyina ehwe na awefo nyina nso 80 na me pese me busa say nene na sese ni empire aye bo bebrebe ni akom chene ni wewe ayeye na eno no na che se ye botugu ana se ye ye ni de
amiga be fancho I always tells you say Christosom be bia on the principle you have to follow the bia me ka kire omo motimi na se me man no mo abochiri se Christosom principles so when you go hu nimdian se Christosom principles Christosom bebem but untimi nyam nhyane mpega asum bia o mu principles asum bia o mu principles ko muslim o mu principle okot o mu principle ba freemason o mu principle later days no mu principle you ba Christosom mu ayeso ye principle empire fasting fasting sea story and empire Sanyo mami say fasting sisuri na prayers. Sanyo mami say be on principle eh. Intinu so be ka them say so for me fasted the bomb pie pa the media say 10 nyam na oh wow. Yo nyame bo a wo ya oni paduan na di sebu.
But nya wo kra.
David. E ya de bo on ma wo ya oni paduan no e ti umu na di sebu. We are fast now. We need paduan e wo umu na di sebu. Ato pese wo nante e wada kan see you. Na only Satan yen a chaka bia wa bra, na Satan timi get hold of you wa. Open case. We did the 10 commandment of God. The 28 rules of Jesus Christ so and some about the satanic rules, the 11 satanic rules. Because Satan as on the end. A dey be imported back as he should be imported free the word and the
Demonic word.
yes. I'm telling you fast. Fun ye kura mi o le deported. Ataje ehye o le deported. Dem what I say. It's all just as we so now see 11 satanic rules of Satan. We will never follow and was a shema my friend 24/7 dey be Satan be now. But the problem too so e be call cause the first aba. But that content be call but the first one talk so. You will go on man. Ni pa be go mba access now home kwa ma 1,000 na follow say pa ko. This all papa ko kwa ma 1,000 we go fast how ni free. Jami Jones what just say. Don't go problems. O ti paye wana tutu o ti siare owe. Oni nyina nso ni nyina ba tu nyame ni pa nso omo an. O fa free. Di onyoma bu on my principles do on ma. O ya woni padua no e na wo save. Ko be mi da mi ti hai na me fast na. O kra na ti mu na me ma na ye din. Aye na. Sini esinti bia betime gina na me din su. To we fast na e no ntre so e Kristo ni mapa. Na wo be bomb pay so a untimi nko nso hwe. Na Yesu kan ya to bomb pay da mo me o man ko nso hwe nso. Dem John what I say. So we be a prayer for it doesn't testify you say e Kristo ni mapa. Then but wa wo ni padua na o kan na ti wo mu. Na wo bo ho ban. But our principles go we are see our Kristo su ni mu a ese wo hu ni a kire na wo di su na ni nyam che ba abrabo ni se ne ntem bia na rade na eja no kombetuma don na ni age wo o metia mi o waja na mi se waja na mi na onye ma pede ma me be ma pawase
Umpamese.
to ye ma pede de ma mi na mi eja nso me hu de blessings ni nkire bia me be to no obusu no wase force ndi ewiase na da ho no sofo ena ho kwa ndi o yare bia wo Bible ni mu a Yesu ba obesa yi free ni paso because ayare no Yesu mu say a spirit na di akiri mu say yare bia problem bia your spirit so di akiri ho problem bia ni wana yare bi no wo wiase a any spirit I'm telling you fact the o mind bu o ma answer na o mind no yare be kuma tie si ma ye mu ni pa no ma ye awade achi wo de ma awade bu ofu ni wo ja o mind ja ma Satan.
Wow.
Yes. Omani ni awurade mmra nso munni na asem so munni na pede mfama nti ansna ya de beton man mama aye omani munni pa nyina no omani ya awurade chiwade awurade mpero maye nti wuti sa omani man se wa wo di awurade apede na ni Satan so na kwan na sa ya de ntimi.
Wow.
De metro zo ajansi nti ze onim sa nyoma we nyina na se Kristo so me wom you don't know what you are doing. Says not necessarily me fasting, me bomb pie, me they say no poor. I get this.
And then I would do for more chin fear say a passion.
Oh, Mammy
somebody I'm paying no more.
Mammy Cassin Joe. What we say time? And I watch you been for. Satan out for him. Ben from portion. It's our chin been from the crap. And son out your person young, what you can get. It's own chin been from the crown from my with him. And fear now what fun. But it's never been for colors. Na Satan so man frɛ Satan ma am fa mfia na mo na Satan be da bono do mo twi fia so mo bu Satan mo timi frɛ Satan be dire wani ma be da bu Satan yo akwankyere bu wo hono ma o ya uni mutumi ya eye
esa critic program ma
yes o sore ma na mutimi o mo na the house at the mom because wo di fia bo Satan that Satan untimi frɛ ne fa ma wani mbabo no na wo de fia no bofo ma na Satan wo say akọ ne roku mi a na won tima ne Satan no na wo sere wa na wo Satan
ono so baba so
your words be crabo so for I'm telling the fact your words be a short abbreviations the busi your words are o boss o kwampa o connect spirit in about life
ewo ho real adwuma
yes me oh open kasi me see your words be a short abbreviations in pa bebre nsu o manim o mo connect bebre nsu ko different kingdom o different kingdom ni ba am Satan tell him says, "How will you know when you are a beman and hinitman? Atre, I can say, I just say, Atre, I can see woman, not at my pija." And so, it brings them low L-O-L, Lucifer, our Lord. Lucifer, our Lord. L-O-L, the brain issue.
That's a Lucifer in the Yanko.
Oh, may see your insane wow can a Satan, a Ludi. Praise Satan, and praise Lucifer. Answer be beyond weba assassin amana atre biere mu say e kire wade am go for free inner world am go for free inner world am da basa assassin abe tinja me church be biye bia am go for free Satan kingdom am go for free inner world am da ba your ways born ma wo kan obey always o kan kaka ababe na make ba wo kan wo dey attract spirit to yourself a bit say jolo you obey others Lucifer Jolo L-O-L-O youth obey Lucifer's orders. When they go for David it really says swag S-W-A-G Satan which are granted your short abbreviations do one man oh can I say the Bible say dia no David
na no e o mo satanic kingdom no nchi ana say
me tira wade no be say go me one
every say unje wo esun bia na o mo nchi a
that is it
bia class as you enkan so on se tete enten eye o mo satanic kingdom no o mo nchi a ana say bia e o mo tem do bia o mo kan ana say bia
amen tira wade e wo on ma o esun kingdom no woman e dey develop adie bi o person o di bibi ba assassin man intimidate mama man for any etimi ansana obeta dem Satan timi ka kire nse and the prayer e be o Satan asio Satan asio no jo person o dey side ko no e ban man di intimtiman ya Satan di bibi etoso ansana de ko obe na di intimtiman
wow
so what as here the world no be say ebia mega say ebia o person develop app no be develop no oka o Satan ho aka ja che Satan ko ina wo da be ka kire spirit no reso oka kire spirit no reso na e just spirit in the bibia e be ka app no be develop na nipa etime hu because ono no serve say me ti we ma me example fa cho say me no na na yi nyam djuma nti say nipa be hu yi a e say wo a me papa wo me o papa no e di mi nsem shira ni nsem aduma chedie eto abera
wow
na adom na udi fru na yimba ya me shemu kina yede e di maw anse ni department yede dem jo jo jase sanity is a mere spirit na o serve me na person di bi ba wi asia o ka tell me spirit na me spirit me ma die asenso die e bet mama de kuna di tintima o wi asia no be di atoso na di ba wi asia ti mama di pa nyina
ne odi for yasi o ye wasam won for
sent na medical card da kire o se atade mpo no okoto na mu na e wonsunsun kasa bu a se o kabuso na de tia atade e shira atade so na se spirit bu atade mu a atade na chi a tinko ba ka da kire o de bia se abrabon ya egbo ye na hokwa bibia ya o mra wo bibia ya o mra wo bibia ya o mra wo de won se bibia ya o mra wo na mra wo ne se na o se do bibia basabasa ogwa and to obi ayi so onyi shiri bibi ne kunu bibi ne hando and you go on of short abbreviation bi e beto o mani ma na o mani nyina di akire na ateni bisa won so ko fafiri saka so ko fafiri
to ko fafiri the kingdom world
yes ko inner world
in
ya say dia manu no dia baby na dinti do bo on ma o ya artist actress or joining the inner world I assume to be there or so say you go be let Satan na sense dey come and start the club up and bit my best spread them and pay. You won into a war, or my mother be to boom, or my not you to me now. Yes, that is an or in our local Conaba. You are just a Conabandia. Same time, Lucifer Gina, a sense of the one. You send Boo on ma, or can't. Now your words Boo on ma, you think said you are just pronouncing it just like that, and I'll balance with you. We in this room. Wow. What does it?
What for? Yes, I feel we know the 28 rules of Jesus Christ. Sir, 11 rules of Satan. There, what's your name? Higher bedroom. Na say, Pessia Una is a bomb of the near pursue a home. Nayambra, yes, you kiss you again, so. Pessia will be a cry. And the change says when you are in him, say, and Melanson unity, and sour dear, Mineral Yakupon, in himself, and look at now, or Transiana didn't use to kiss to get it. A idea being a hint time. The person, yes, you don't be a send a bear a big one, minimum shuffle. Your
secret is your power. Your secret is your power. Simba Henry. Oh, person who sat and passing on friend and make children baby petitions make sure I'm not saying it's all friend country, make contact. They say your secret is your power. Only winning to always be an audition. So people so woman, anything I'm numbers good screeners on friend. I mean, just like that on fire. We carry 2 baby man. You may any secret in the powerful. The entire man knew a gentleman and I'm here powerful. And then the secret top on things here and you're powerful.
As our best as something.
Yes. You will say, well, my car, I don't put up a poor but in could the ministry of fight. The uncle by the a fire apostle must say time and Yinipa. You can kind Judges chapter 30, verse number 1.
Judges 13,
verse number 1.
You hear in some people, a table for humanity, a dummy and son, need more. A back from Judges 13, 1. Etifianson was saying, Samson a war. Na Israel for Kosoye dear. Na
Israel Kosoye dear, a radiant subone. Na already the one say first for answer influence Adrian. What it's a new power. Now we had a radiant pa, a little the more townful. Let me translate what I say. The Satan to me or townful. It is a woman sad, you know, as always be a mere fast in the bonfire or fasten your way. The whole but more principles from so committee. That is it. There's uncle the next verse. Romans 2 chapter 2 verse 12 to 13.
Paul will my out to common Roman for
2 12 to 13.
It's here a year name one. A do me and son. Omoni and Manamshu, every day I make a phone. A Romans chapter number 2, verses number 12 to 13. Okay. What's it? Attending at the fiancé. Nadodua only emra. Nadodua only emra. Na waya bonin. Na waya bonin. Wakoti emra. Wakoti emra. So yira. Obekoti emra so ayira. So ajase. To omo nye de tenenu no. O amanye to om. Ko nso bi mu. Ko amanye mu. Yaria a free Satan to ma bra. To us. Na dudu a waya bonin no. Emre mu no. Wonam emra so bebu won atem. Wonam emra so bebu won atem. Inti sa waya bonin and how fun mera na. Emra na wa fun inti ma Satan tinye dem. Enyam. Sounds na the 10 commandments of God in the 28 rules of Jesus Christ. Wo fun na oni so a Every jaw with my Satan so nyam. wow
to ado mu se asase na da on na okwa e bi dia e no obo no abeto nse mbara no wasase so to so oba ewiase na se won pe mbara na ekira kwan na so de wo a opa ba kuti amembara na nya
na ene ba sa when some fidi na you and I said yakofo
so we ye dey say radimpe na radimpe bu afun we jawo asensen wi adjase to jawo sensen wi na so ko Satan afa na Satan na so fuma na ma Satan timanya the answer na Satan be timanya na say Awurade why dey Awurade mpe we jama sensen wi mu na Satan so hwese ye mera no be fuma na nya fum ya su enya
edumi ese no say na enye emratefo ne atenenefo wo Nyankopon nim na emum emra sudifo na obebu wo mpim
so atase to mo di mmara so no no nya mfa ho di nya sumpe ni aniji o Kristo so o wa bra so o ti wiase na se wiase mu mmara ho mpa ni mu akira kwan ya o nti yenko Matthew chapter 18 verse number 14 fever
Matthew asempaliti a eye emotwe ni mu a eye edu enan atifa sa wo say Petro na se ayaresa na Yesu ba Petro fie obehunu na se ba sa oda ho yare fufu
obehunu se na se ba da ho yare fufu that's fever
na osone nsa na yare fufu ni ja
so ajaze Peter kura ma me na se kura ko yare fufu Peter ntimansa
na se awonde difo na onya mewie peyesa
dalisi enu ntina mpeza me kira wo se your problems you are near different nya so for nya bitimasa obi a so for no be friends with different no doesn't permit that person say problem be bit man solve with them tell me the kind of will be on painful them just what just yes no con expectation stamina obi also Mark 7:32 awon
Marko emomantia eye enson ni mu a eye aduasa emi o say na wode osutifo a wowro dodo brain na osele ne se onfa ne nsa entonu so na ofani free enkofokuo no mu ko enchen de ne nsaten a hyehyɛ na so na ote entasio de ka ne tatrema na ohwe surugu ahome na osene se hifata ene se bui na so ne bue na etatrema ahoma ne sane entem ara na otumi kasa yi
swatiase nti obi e church elder oti asoinim susumfun weti mus de church elder sa sani pa odin sato so de na bi
de tinu ya no bi tabiset
abion ze rodo do susumbani yare bani to be a so for rodo unya deliverance total deliverance I'm telling the father Point to a prophet or road. When one has on the cancer, we are you with cancer. We are.
But those who want one so. But I say, we are not in the buffa. Over to my casa, the casa no man.
And then the buffa semon. We are talking about spirit. And then the buffa semon. Huh? And casa, we are meeting using a room. One will be our movie in one. Ah, I'll bring a young channel.
Oh, dear. Ain't me a possible. That is it.
And this will be on Gunku to meeting you with me a young channel. This will be no hold to do as any banner or coin the man of God, and it's all chef of shade wine. Them John's Rogers, or he can't cut us on Congo, 21 weapons. I own Kunkum. It's on Kunkum or former or Pugan and Kunkum wedding. No more on left. What does he? The next quotation. 2 Chronicles 21:18 HIV.
2 Chronicles
chapter 21 verse number 18.
2 Chronicles
21 verse number
18. O say, na ye nyina akire no. Ewurade de ayam de mu yade a eni sibia born
so atiase
na ye nyina akire no Ewurade de ayam ayamdeɛ mu yadeɛ a enni sabia ɛbɔ
so atas
asa yare a ntumi nsa
nti obi hwɛ na obi tie ni a saa yare we nyina time nti ntwa so yare nyina we nyina da what just wa fun mera no wa fun the 11 Satan's books of Satan na the 10 commandments were ni so answer about the 28 books of Jesus Christ na ma saa yare we abeton so
Did Jesus? Oh yeah, me uncle. Oh, nipa. Oh, nyami.